Chinese clothing manufacturers or Pakistani clothing manufacturers? Which is best? Let's find out. First of all, Pakistan generally has lower MOQs and much faster turnarounds compared to China. I've even seen some factories have no MOQs in Pakistan, and generally they complete orders within 2 weeks. Now compare that to China. China typically has higher MOQs, around 50 pieces at the lower end, and they take around a month to complete orders. Next, cost. So when it comes to cost, there's no competition here. Pakistan is hands down cheaper. That goes for both production and for a lot of countries, shipping too. Now with the lower costs of Pakistani manufacturing, if you add that with a lot of the trade deals that they have with countries such as the UK, where they have to pay no duty on orders, the savings can be significant. That does, however, come at a cost, and a lot of the times that cost is quality. Quality-wise, China is clear, and that's especially true at the small to mid-range order quantities. Your order is only going to be as good as the fabric. The vast majority of manufacturers don't actually produce the fabric used in your order themselves. So when they get an order, what they typically do is they'll go to a fabric wholesaler, they look for a fabric that's the most close to the requirements that you've given them. They then get that fabric, put on stitch it, print on it, whatever they need to do to get your order ready. Now in China, these wholesale fabrics are a lot more organized, and there's a lot more structure to how they go about things there. For example, the fabrics will have model names, model numbers, they'll be separated by brand. Just overall, there's a lot better organization over there. Companies like Jufeng are leaders in this. Compare this to Pakistan and it's a lot more chaotic. There's no model numbers, it's more so just here's a bunch of different fabrics, pick one. And manufacturers will typically try to go for the cheapest option just so they can save the most amount of money and therefore increase their profit margins as much as possible. In addition to this, you're not really protected by fraud at all. There's nothing to stop a manufacturer from shorting you in the GSM, which is actually an incredibly common scam that occurs. You might request something like 350 GSM and instead you'll be sent 300. So, do you want the quality of Chinese manufacturing or the price of Pakistani ones? What if there was a third option? That is exactly what we do. We're one of the few manufacturers that produces our own fabric in-house. We can do this because we use that fabric in our blank garments, which we sell to retail and wholesale buyers. So that same high quality fabric that we use in our blanks is also available for you to use in your custom cut and sew orders as well. And the quality of this fabric you won't find anywhere else in Pakistan, and the reason for that is because we do not sell our in-house produced fabrics to wholesalers. So you can only get it from one place, and that's us. Our turnaround times are rapid, delivery is rapid, and you still benefit from low MOQs, which is as little as 1 piece for retail blanks, 5 pieces for wholesale blanks, 15 pieces for blanks customized with your design. We have an ultra modern facility with the best equipment, high safety standards, and a very skilled workforce. So if you want the best of both worlds, comment supply or get in touch.